you write down. This is tan inverse x dot 1 dx. Okay, are you getting me? That is, let me know the formula. Tan inverse x integration 1 dx, then minus integration sign third bracket d by dx tan inverse x. Okay, very good. Then integration sign 1 dx. Is it? Then third bracket close dx. Are you getting me? Now let me know. Tan inverse x means what? Tan inverse x 1 dx. 1 dx means what? Only x. Sorry. Is it okay? Minus, this is integration sign. It is what? 1 by 1 plus x square. And it is what? 1 dx. That is only x dx. Okay? That means we are getting here. Sorry. We are getting here x tan inverse x minus x 1 plus x square dx. And this is I. You carry on writing this I. This is I. Now you see, we have got another part, okay, which cannot be integrated so easily. So there are two ways. I am going to the second way afterwards. You see, we can write down here I x tan inverse x. Okay, and this is minus I 1. That is this part. This part will be again integrated. This is I1. In exercise 10.3, you did a lot of maths on this. You see, what are those maths? Write down for I1. Okay. Let x square equals to z. Okay. That is, we are getting 2x dx equals to dz. Okay. That means we are getting x dx is equal to half dz, right? Okay. So I1 is equal to you write down half dz by 1 plus x square equals to what? 1 plus x square equals to what? 1 plus x square equals to what? Z.
Z.
Very good. So it is equal to what? Half, right? It is ln 1 plus z plus c. Okay. That means it is equal to half ln, what is the value of z? Is x square plus c. Okay, that means in total we are getting from here, you see, from here we are getting, therefore I is equal to x tan inverse x tan inverse x minus I1. This is I1. I1 equals to what? Minus half ln 1 plus x square plus c. Many of you can tell this is minus, so it will be minus c. It is immaterial. I don't know what is the value of c. Okay, this was question number 16.1, and we are absolutely right. Okay, this is one of the ways,
Sir,
but yes,
আমি না ভুলে গিয়েছি, আপনি আবার একটু বলবেন কোন বই এটা এক্স্যাক্টলি? অক্ষরপত্র না রূপন্তী?
it is Rubanti.
ওকে স্যার। স্যার রূপন্তীর ফার্স্ট পেপার?
Of course, first paper.
ওকে স্যার।
Okay, now just wait. Actually, I am done, but I am going to show you another procedure that will be very easier for you. This is done. After doing this part, after this part, okay, I will complete the math very easily, but you have to be advanced. You see what I am going to do, or I is equal to x tan inverse x, write down x tan inverse x minus half 2x by 1 plus x square dx. Now you see, suppose fx equals to what? 1 plus x square, suppose. So f prime x equals to what? Let me know. 2x, is it? So it is in the format of f prime x by fx. Okay, so what was the formula for this part? Is equals to ln fx. Can you remember please? Upon time, this type of. Now you see, we can write it x tan inverse x minus half. It is what? Ln function x. So this is ln, this is absolute value. Function x means what? 1 plus x square. Done, and it is plus c. If I mean, I have completed the math in one line. Okay, have you seen? So if you know this part like this, then it is only then possible, otherwise not. Okay, you see, this is the formula, f prime x by fx. Only this, you have to know this. If we differentiate the denominator and if we get the numerator, then it is only one applicable, otherwise not. Okay,
স্যার এই যে ফার্স্ট লাইনটা আমরা লিখলাম, এটা কোন লাইনের পরে লিখলাম?
after this line.
আচ্ছা স্যার।
Okay, so this math is really, it was given in the board in the highest manner, the math I did now. Okay, now you go to 17.1. 17.1. Okay, that's good.
স্যার আমি একটা কনফেশন করতে চাই।
Okay,
স্যার মাঝে মাঝে না আমার এই ইন্টিগ্রেশনের ম্যাথ দেখে মনে হয় ট্রিগোনোমেট্রি, আমি ম্যাথ পরীক্ষা জীবনে পাস করতে পারবো না কলেজ করলে।
from the very beginning I told you, without trigonometry, okay, math is what? Inactive. Okay, this is 17.1. Okay, 17.1. Not
স্যার
a matter.
16 এর 2 কই গেল? আপনি তো বললেন তো 1
No,
নাম্বার
no,
ম্যাথ
no,
ছিল।
no. It was only 16. Okay, now 17.1. Okay, now you see, this is in the same way I will do this math. You see, sine inverse x dot 1 dx. I will do this math in the same way. Okay, you see, I told you for inverse, it will be let as u, right? So sine inverse x integration 1 dx minus, right? Talk to me. Minus integration sign, third bracket, d by dx sine inverse x, integration sign 1 dx, third bracket done, then dx. Okay, in the same way, in the same getup, I am going to do this math. It's okay. So we are getting it is x as 1 it is. So x sine inverse x minus. What is sine inverse x? Can you remember please? 1 by root over, talk to me, 1 minus x square d by dx of sine inverse x. This is integration sign, this is integration sign. Now let me know what is 1. 1 is x. So we can write here this x here. Okay, anyway, we are going to write down here x and it is dx. Is it okay? Now this math also can be done telling or letting I1 here. That is 1 minus x square, 1 minus x square can be let here what? Z. Okay, so we can do the math like this, or we can do, you see, or x sine inverse x minus integration x by root over 1 minus x square dx. Okay, and it is obviously I. You see, it is I is equal to x sine inverse x minus I1. This is I1. If you want, I
স্যার
can do.
এটা আগের ম্যাথের মতো ছোট ভাবে করা যায় না?
Of course, it can be. I will show you. But sometimes you will forget it for this. For I1, you have to write it for I1. Let 1 minus x square equals to z. Okay, that means minus 2x dx equals to dz, right? So what we are getting here? We are getting x dx equals to minus half dz. Okay, that means we are getting here, that is I1 is equal to, if put the value x dx, what is the value of x dx? Minus half, write down minus half dz by, you see, it is what? Root over z. Now please let me know, root over z equals to what? It can be written, you see, it can be written, suppose, minus dz by 1 by 2 root over z. Can you please let me know whose differentiation is 1 by 2 root over x? Can you remember please? I told you one day, d by dx of root x is equal to this. Talk to me. Hello everybody.
Yes, sir.
D by dx of root x equals to what? 1 by 2 root x. So we can write it, it is minus root over z plus c. Okay, what is the value of root over z? Minus root over, it is 1 minus x square plus c. Okay, so we are getting, therefore we can write down, therefore I is equal to x sine inverse x sine inverse x, this is minus plus root over 1 minus x square plus c. This is the answer. Okay, so actually it will be very hard. So what will you do? You write down here, you write down, let x square equals to z. So we are getting here 2x dx equals to dz. Okay, but here it is x dx. So x dx equals to what? Half dz. Okay, now we try to put the value. It is half x dx. X dx is what? Dz, and sine inverse. Sine inverse, you see, sine inverse z dz. Okay, now just we did this math in 17.1. In 17.1 we just did this. Can you remember, please talk to me? What was the question number 17.1? Sine inverse x dx. Can you remember? Talk to me, please.
Yes, sir.
So what was the answer? Let me know. X sine inverse x, then
Plus root over 1 minus x square plus c.
okay, it was the answer. Okay, so we can write down here. I am not going to do this. After this you will do this part wholly and fully 17.1. So we are not going to do this. You write down after this half x, I'm sorry, here z, half z sine inverse z plus half. Oh, there was ln. Hello,
স্যার এটা
there
অল্টারনেটিভ
was ln. No,
এরটাতে
no ln, right?
অ্যান্সার ছিল, আপনি মানে প্রিভিয়াসটা ফলো করতে বলেছেন তো, তাই প্রিভিয়াসটার অ্যান্সার বললাম।
Okay. Oh my God. For alternative we use ln, right?
ইয়েস স্যার।
For this it was a problem. Okay, it was my mistake. Anyway, you see, it is half root over 1 minus root over 1 minus x square. That is 1 minus z square, right? Plus c. Is it? This half has been carried out for both the terms. Now you put the value of z. What is the value of z? Z is x square. Write down half x square sine inverse x square plus half root over 1 minus x to the power 4 plus c. 17.2. Yes, we are absolutely right. Okay, this is the answer. I know you can do question number 17 on. After this is the part. Or if you want, I can do it wholly and fully. Anyway, going to the next math. That is question number 18. Question number 18. Cos inverse x. I think you can do it, right? What is to be done? Cos inverse x dot 1 dx. So cos inverse x 1 dx. Okay, oh, no need to give a dot, 1 dx minus integration sign, third bracket, d by dx cos inverse x, integration 1 dx, third bracket done, this is dx. Okay, now let me know it is x, so we can write here x as it is what? It is minus 1 by root over 1 minus x square, right? Its differentiation is what? Minus 1 by root over 1 minus x square, minus minus plus. So 1 by root over 1 minus x square, it is what? X dx, this indication sign, this indication sign. That means we are getting here x cos inverse x plus integration x root over 1 minus x square dx, which will be laid here like the previous math, x cos inverse x plus, talk to me, it is I1.
1.
Okay. Now for I1, this is for I1, root 1 minus x square equals to z minus 2x dx equals to dz, then x dx equals to minus half dz. Okay, so we are getting I1 is equal to minus half, write down minus half, indication sign, x dx equals to dz by, it is what, root over z, right? That means we are getting here minus indication sign 1 by 2 root over z dz. So its integration will be what? Only root z, and z equals to 1 minus x square. That is minus root over 1 minus x square plus c. So in total, we are getting I is equal to x cos inverse x. This is minus, this is plus, minus root over 1 minus x square plus c. X cos inverse x. Okay. What we are getting here? Minus, okay, half into, if this is minus, then it is minus 2x by root over 1 minus x square dx. Write down x cos inverse. So for this, the last math was also right. Cos inverse x minus integration minus 2x by 2 root over 1 minus x square. Because this is the math of formula, okay? Now, you just let me know whose differentiation is this. That is root over 1 minus x square. So it is only root over 1 minus x square. And math is done. Just talk to me. Are you getting me or not?
Ji, sir.
Actually, what I have done here, we have to know that its differentiation is this, nothing else. So like the you can do the previous math like this. Anyway, going to question number 19.
স্যার অ্যানসারটা কি ছিল একটু মুখে বলবেন একবার?
The answer was x cos inverse x minus root over 1 minus x square plus c. Okay, is this? Now going to question number 19. X sin inverse x dx. You see x sin inverse x dx. What will you do? Talk to me. I told you to let sin inverse x always as by u. So it is x dx. Is it? Minus integration sign d by dx sin inverse x, then integration x dx, third bracket close, then it is also dx. Okay, that means, let me know, x, its integration is what? X square by 2, right? Minus integration sign, it is what? 1 by root over 1 minus x square dot x is x square by 2 dx. Right? Now we can write here half x square sine inverse x minus half integration x square root over 1 minus x square dx. Is there anyone here who can do this math? None of you can do. One of it. Minus half I1. Now who can do this math? Only this part. It is impossible because you see here it is x square, here is also x square. So there is no way. But only one way is left. Who can tell me? Sorry? There is only one way. And there is no other way. You see the way. Write down. For I1. Okay? Let x equal to sine theta. Therefore, then what will you do? Dx equals to what? Dx equals to what? Cos theta d theta. That is, we are getting I1 equals to, I1 is equal to, this is half, so I1 is this part. We have I1, only this. It is only I1. So we are getting I1 is equal to, it is x square. X square means for sine square theta. It is dx. Dx means what? Cos theta d theta by root over 1 minus x square means sine square theta. Integration sign. Talk to me. All of you. Okay. That is, we are getting here sine square theta cos theta d theta by, it is cos square theta. So it will be only cos theta as it is a square root. And we are getting the math cos theta cancel. Actually, we are done now. And we can write it half to sine square theta d theta. That means half 2 sine square theta means what? 1 minus cos 2 theta d theta. Okay? Which can be written as half d theta minus half cos 2 theta. Integration sign. Okay. That means half d theta is theta minus half cos 2 theta is what? Talk to me. Sine 2 theta, and again it is by 2 plus c. Is it okay? Yes, it is okay. So we can write here half theta minus 1 by 4. What is sine 2 theta? Is 2 sine theta cos theta plus c. Is it? Now, at the very beginning of I1, we let x equals to sine theta. X equals to sine theta means it is theta, it is x, so it is 1, x by 1, and it is obviously by Pythagoras theorem root over 1 minus x square, right? Is it? Okay, so we are getting here also this will be omitted. Now, what is the value of theta? Here theta is sine inverse x. Sine inverse x minus, it is wholly and fully half. What is sine theta? Sine theta is x. What is cos theta? Cos theta is base by hypotenuse. So this is the base. Hypotenuse is 1, so we don't have any functioning. 1, 1. It is C. Now please let me know, what was I? Please talk to me. What was I? I can remember what was I. Can you please tell me half? What was I? Talk to me.
Sir, half x square sine inverse x minus half I1
Sine inverse x, right? Minus
minus half
I1.
I1.
What is it? Is the I1, right? This is the I1. So what is the value of I1? You see, it is half sine inverse x. Okay. Then it is another minus half. It is half x root over 1 minus x square. Always this c will be free of everything. Okay. This c will be free of everything. Now we are getting actually half x square sine inverse x minus 1 by 4 sine inverse x minus plus 1 by 4 x root over 1 minus x square plus c. It was question number 19. Question number 19, what they have done, they have taken sine inverse x common, half x square minus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4. Yes, we are absolutely right. We did really, I mean, the hardest math, okay? And this is the answer. We are absolutely right. In the answer, what they did, they just took, they have taken just sine inverse x as common. No need to do it. It's okay. Not a matter. So actually we are about to finish this exercise. Next day we will have really maths of fun.
স্যার একটু শুনলেন
Yes, I am not done
স্যার
yet.
আজকের না মানে আজকের রেকর্ডিংটা আপনি একটু জলদি জলদি আপলোড করে দিয়েন প্লিজ আমি অর্ধেক ক্লাস করতে পারি নাই
Because I mean told you not to come, right? No.
না আমি ভুলে গেছিলাম
Okay, not a matter.
লাইক পরে মনে পড়লো
Okay, what will you do for this math? This is ln x whole square 1 dx. Now you will want a very easy and simple of 2 lines homework. It is really very, very easy and simple. Will I do or you'll do? Talk to me. Okay, I'm doing ln x whole square 1 dx minus third bracket d by dx ln x whole square. Okay, integration 1 dx okay, that is ln x whole square. What is 1 dx? Is x? Is it? After finishing integration, okay, I'll take exam, 3 or 4 exams in 1 week. So all of you are required to revise the maths I did, okay, or you practiced at home again and again. Remember one thing, on the trigonometry, on the differentiation, on the integration, CQ and CQ both exams, okay, will be held. And that or those exams will be very, very important. Anyway, this is minus, just let me know, this is integration, it is power 2, that is 2 ln x. Again ln x, that is 1 by x. This is x, this is dx. Talk to me. What is the differentiation of ln x whole square? Is 2 ln x. Again, ln x is 1 by x, right? So what we are getting here, actually, this x's will be omitted. Okay? Now you see ln x dot x minus, it is what? 2 ln x dot 1 dx. Are you getting me? Now we are getting again integration, and you know I did this map in question number 2-1, yes 2-2. In 2-2 I did this part. 2-2, this part, okay, is done. You see, you can see the answer there. Okay, so I am not going to do it. You just put the value from 2-2 with 2. I mean, will be multiplied by 2. Okay. Now, going to question number 21, you see ln 21. Integration. Don't be afraid of seeing the math. Ln sec inverse x by x root over x square minus 1 dx. This is the math. Okay. What will you do? Very easy and simple. Let sec inverse x equals to z. So actually we are getting here dx by x root over x square minus 1 is equal to dz. Is it okay to all? That means we are getting here ln sec inverse x equals to z ln z, and you see we have the value of this part dx by x root over x square minus 1 as by dz. Okay, now it is question number 2 of 2. Are you getting me? Everybody? Hello?
Yes, sir, we are getting you.
So it is, after this it is 2, and at last you will put the value of z. As it is done, x e to the power x by x 1 plus x ln x dx. Okay, so that is e to the power x by x plus e to the power x ln x. Okay, first bracket, this is dx. So we are getting here e to the power x dot 1 by x dx plus e to the power x ln x dx. For this math, as this is in this portion, so I am going to let e to the power x as by u. So e to the power x, it is 1 by x dx minus integration sign, d by dx e to the power x integration 1 by x dx, third bracket close, this is dx, plus e to the power x ln x dx. Now you see, this is e to the power x. I can write here only ln x, then minus e to the power x 1 by x is ln x, this is dx integration sign, and this is e to the power x ln x dx. Okay, I have done this math just to cancel this part, nothing else. So we will not show this cancellation. That means we are left with e to the power x ln x. As there is no integration sign, so it will be plus c, and this is the answer. Actually, we are not left with any other math. Okay, only one math was, I mean, you all are required to do. Hello everybody, are you there?
Yes, sir.
I am not going to do this math. It is the last math of this exercise, e to the power x, but you will do it at home. I am not going to do sec x 1 plus tan x dx. This is the last math of this exercise. Okay, so what will you do? You just multiply it. Okay, e to the power x sec x, okay, dx, plus e to the power x sec x tan x dx. Okay, now you will not have any functioning on this part. Okay, is it okay? You just take it u, this is u, sec x integration e to the power x dx minus integration third bracket d by dx sec x e to the power x dx, this is dx, and here it is this part. Just you maintain the formalities, nothing else to do here. Tan x dx. Now just pay attention for the last minute. It is sec x, it is e to the power x minus sec x differentiation, sec x tan x, sec x tan x, it is e to the power x, e to the power x, it is dx, plus this part e to the power x sec x tan x dx. What is happening here? You see, again this and this will be omitted. Okay, as a result we are left with e to the power x sec x plus c, and we are done here.